Hello, everyone. Happy Monday. I hope you had a beautiful weekend. Michelle Brienza here. If you're a real estate agent that I've worked with in the past, or if you're someone who's referred me clients over the years, this message is for you. You're going to be noticing something different from me coming up over the next little bit. After 27 years of working strictly by referral only, no advertising, no funnels, no filters, I've decided to go public and online. Why? Because the market is louder than ever and people are more confused now than ever. And for years, I've watched buyers get overwhelmed by rate headlines, sellers, they get spooked by media spin, and honestly, homeowners delay important decisions because they don't know who to trust. So over the years, I've been testing my Facebook, social media, talking about the bigger picture, about policy, economic trends, and politics. And you know what the response was? Crickets. But when I posted a walk through a bus station in Mexico, I got hundreds of views. So what does that tell me? It tells me that, honestly, people don't want to talk about politics. I've been around people where they've said, I don't want to talk politics. But what they really want is clarity. They want to understand what's happening out there, and they want to know what the impact is on their wallet and for their homes and their families, but they don't want to talk about politics. So I've decided to pivot. I'm going to start bringing some real talk that's grounded in experience to the public, because the truth is, rates are basically just the tip of the iceberg, and rates are not just everything. The real drivers are much, much, much deeper. Government spending, immigration versus housing supply, banking regulations like the stress test, oh my goodness, the value or devaluation of the dollar itself. So let's talk about the last one, because a lot of people are like, what? The devaluation? When people say that real estate is starting to skyrocket, I ask them to pause for a minute. Is your house really worth twice as much as it was 10 years ago? Or is your dollar even worth half as much? And here's a really simple way to think about it. Imagine that your money is orange juice, and every year someone adds more water to your orange juice. Eventually, it's just tinted water. That's what inflation is. It's currency debasement. And it's why home prices rise even when nothing about the house has changed. Why? So you have to start looking at policy. Now add in some policy decisions. When OFSI introduced the stress test, it instantly shrank what people could afford, even those with good income and good credit. When immigration policies brought in like over 500,000 people at a time per year, but we didn't build enough homes, that meant that demand exploded and prices end up following. And when the Bank of Canada raises rates to cool inflation, that inflation often came from decisions that were made many years ago. So these aren't political arguments, they're policy facts, and there's a difference. And they shape what people can afford and how they can plan around all of that stuff. So here's basically what I've decided to do and what I'm going to be doing now. I'm going to create weekly content to educate Canadians on what's really going on in plain English language. No hype, no jargon, no politics, just facts. And mostly that's because when clients understand why behind the rate, they can make better decisions. They feel more confident, and they can trust the professionals that are around them, the lawyer, the real estate agent, the mortgage broker, the insurance person. And that's what I want to do for real estate agents or for anybody who's referring me someone. So if you're a real estate agent who wants your clients to be informed and empowered and to be ready with a mortgage, then please feel free to share my content or just reach out to me and I'm more than happy to connect. Because in this market, there is no reward in moving in silence. We get rewarded when we are clear. And when we have clarity, we can move with confidence. And really, that's ultimately what I want. So my name's Michelle Brienza, and after 27 years of real experience, not just in mortgages, but in real estate agents, in real estate, I've had the pleasure of buying, selling, renovating, doing full-on construction, being a landlord, all kinds of things. And so this is real experience that I can bring to the table. I'm more than happy to help you navigate whatever is going on, and just reach out to me and you'll get a customized consultation. Have yourselves a great week. Enjoy Canada Day tomorrow. Be well until next week.